Hello students of class 11 of Vidya Bhavan School. Hope you are all doing well. So in the previous video we have discussed about the disadvantages of international trade. There we have discussed only 2 points, which was probability of crisis, and the another point was quick exhaustion of the natural resources. Okay, so other than that there are many disadvantages when we are involved in any kind of international trade. So let's look into that. Okay, so while we are doing international trade there is a high degree of risk. Okay, so we can write this as number 3 point, high degree of risk. Why high degree of risk? Because as you know that the goods are transported from quite long distances to seaway, it can be, okay, international trade. Now due to, or like how, what is the mode of the transportation, that is not important, but if any kind of accidents occur, maybe due to the natural calamities, okay, so suppose if even if the good that is being exported, it is being exported through aeroplane or by any ship through the sea, any natural calamities can occur, and then your product which is being exported, that can be destroyed. So there is a high degree of risk involved. Okay, so this is for, actually you can say, as goods are transported from quite long distance through seaway in international trade, there is a high degree of risk. Because why? Because of the natural calamities. Okay, now another thing is that import of harmful. Now if we import harmful goods, like it can be drugs, any very luxurious article, or something which is intoxicant, that is which is toxic in nature, which is not good for health, sorry, which is not good for the society. If you're importing a good which is not good for our society, it is toxic good, we don't know, we are exporting but we don't have the idea that that is not being made out of uh, toxic goods. So these are all what, harmful things. Okay, so that is also one disadvantage of doing trade. So what is it? Import of harmful, imports of harmful goods. What harmful good? Import of harmful goods like spurious drug, luxury articles, it can be, okay, intoxicant, etc. Why it is harmful? Because it adversely affects the economy as well as the well-being of the people, which adversely affect the economy as well as the well-being of the people. Okay, So these are another 2 points. Okay, so we have total done 4 points. Let's discuss one more, which is unhealthy competition. International trade allows the developed country to carry unhealthy competition with the weaker country. Now if some countries developed country, so developed country being developed is more financially strong, is more powerful in other sense also, so they utilize those power, they utilize the status of being a developed country, and they do unhealthy competition with the weaker countries, that is the underdeveloped country. It creates rivalry between the countries of the world. So we can say this is the fifth point, can be unhealthy competition. Okay, so international trade allows the developed country to carry unhealthy competition with whom? Unhealthy competition with the weaker countries, with the weaker countries. Okay, so which creates rivalry between the countries of the world. Okay, so which creates rivalry between the countries of the world. Okay, so these are few points which are against the international trade, or some which are the disadvantage of international trade. Okay, I hope you have understood. So let's keep up to this in this video. Thank you.